Since I am an OnPassive family member, I'm celebrating Ash Mufareh for giving us the opportunity to helping each other and to lift up humanity around the globe. I celebrate you, Ash, that you treat the founders like partners, even like family members, because yes, we are a family, we are the human family that is connected in the heart all over the world, we just have to feel this. I celebrate that you encourage people to come into their full power, to live their full potential, so that they can serve humanity with passion and love. I celebrate that almost 560,000 people are connected and moving closer together globally in a way that the whole world has probably never seen before. I celebrate that we are the energy that undoes the separation, because our consciousness of love will bring us back together. I celebrate that we can experience ourselves in a completely new way on this journey and that old patterns of a lack consciousness can dissolve. I celebrate you, Ash, that you enable us to turn poverty into prosperity. And it's already happening, in our hearts, in our minds, we are letting hope and dreams thrive already. I celebrate that we can inspire each other to be courageous and to trust ourselves, our inner voice, inner wisdom, trust the OnPassive movement, trust the universe. I celebrate that a loving, partnership-based and respectful approach in communication is cultivated by you, Ash. I celebrate your eternal love to every living being. I celebrate your wisdom and your genius energy of thinking big. I celebrate your high ethical and moral values, the transparency and truthfulness you bring to the philosophy of OnPassive. I celebrate that with your vision we are breaking a cycle that will lead us all into freedom, love and peace. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, Mr. Ash Mufareh. Thekla, Arpe, Germany. A Bill Must production.